Okay, this video is to show you how to create a graph using your data. This process will be the same process for each graph that you make for trial 1, trial 2, and trial 3. Okay, so first thing you need to do when creating your graph is to highlight your entire data table. Okay, so the data that you're trying to insert into the graph. Two things I want to point out. One, you'll notice in my graph, I do not use any units. So for example, next to each number, it doesn't say 100 bugs or 30 birds. Do not use units in your graph or it will mess up, or in your data table, or it'll mess up your graph when you go to create it. So if you did that, thank you for including units. I usually would like you to do that, but for this specific purpose, I do not. So go ahead and delete them if you did. Once they're highlighted, it is very simple. You're going to go into Insert, Chart, and it should automatically generate a graph for you. Okay, now you really shouldn't mess with it a lot. You should see it looking similar to mine, where time or ticks are on the bottom. On your x-axis, on your y-axis is your population, and then it should automatically divide it up into your 3 types of populations: bug, bird, and grass. The only thing I want you to change is the chart type. Okay, so click on that. I do want a line chart, however, I want you to click this under the section that says line. I want you to click the second one that says smooth line chart, so it'll have more of a curve to it, because that's what I'm looking for. Okay, and then you'll resize it. You can close out of the editor, so you're done, and I would like you to just place it under where the heading that says trial 1 graph, size it so that we can see all of it, all the headings and titles. And then you're done. That's your graph. If you would like to double check it, you can with the graph that's in the simulation. It should look pretty much the same. Okay. Now, I just inserted a bunch of random data right now, so this should not be what your graph looks like, so don't be alarmed when your graph doesn't look like mine from the video. Okay, but it should look pretty similar to your graph that's in the simulation.